Ni uruguria wa ruhonge rweru rwa bengi ya NCBA taunini ya Wote kauntiini ya Makueni uduri uhanikite mubango-ini wa waramia wa bengi ino icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Ruhonge ruru ruria ni rumwe hari honge ikumi ya bengi ino iranaire kuhingura hari mwaka turi rukagwetota njira njega ya gukinyira huthiri aingi ya bengi ino.
NCBA has been on an aggressive branch expansion plan. By the end of this year we will have opened 30 branches over the last 3 years. And it is part of our efforts and strategy to continue extending our services in areas that we had customers who didn't find it very convenient for us to bank. For example, in Wote, you needed to drive all the way to Machakos, which is not an easy drive.
Kurigana na murugamiri wa wonjoria bengi-ini no Tyrus Mwithiga hari bata Kenya othe gukuruhanio hari maundu mege mainie na gukura gwa kimbeca kuona ino no njira njega ya gutigirira bururi-ini wa gacira kiwonjoria.
We are expanding our branches to make our services more accessible, to be richer, to deepen the relationships that we have with our customers, and also to support the growth, the economic development in counties such as Makueni.
Our expansion strategy is anchored on the principles of financial inclusion. We are committed to extending access to financial services to individuals and businesses, to institutions such as the church, and to other groups, chamas, as we have heard.
We are keen on the financial inclusion means it's prosperity for the people of Makueni County, so we will partner with them.
Bengi ino ni heanite kiraniro kuri aikari a gicigo giki ya gutigirira ni manyitirira biacara ciao na mabata mao ma kimbeca makiria maria megemaini na uigithia undu umwe na woi wa ngombo undu unyititwo mbaru ni munini wa governor kaunti-ini no Lucy Mulili.
They have proved themselves because they've done a lot of financial inclusion for small businesses and actually, if I may call it right, the actual hustler.
We will be very happy, Deputy Governor, to hear where can we help, where can we add our knowledge or our support as a bank, because we are now a citizen of Makueni as a corporate.
NCBA is a patriotic corporate citizen of this country. And our mission is not just banking, it's not just financial figures and revenue. We want to impact the lives of Kenyans.
Itemine ria kwagirithia maria maturigiceirie bengi ya NCBA ni iranire gutigirira ni yakinyanirio hadi wa mite milioni 10 ukinyiria mwaka wa 2023 kuria mite 40,000 itanyite kuhandwo kaunti-ini ya Kitui ica ikuhi mubango uyo gikuruhania arimi a mite kuma matura matiganite. Hadi ni Akameme TV retora kwa ni Bataro wa Mwangi.